Hey guys, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and in this video I wanted to talk to you about email marketing, especially if you are sending regular emails and how to improve the open and click-through rate. So I was sending emails through MailChimp, and my emails previously consisted mostly of the images. So I had a short intro text at the beginning, at the very top, and then one single image with the promo within it, and obviously call to action. But there was text within the image, so there was no text in the email body. And I also had some icons linking to my social media and to my website, and that was all. I worked mainly on the subject line to improve the open rate and so on. But I noticed that majority of my emails were landing in the spam folder because I am sending the emails to myself and they usually go to the spam folder in Gmail, in Google. So what I did, I stopped sending frequent emails because I used to send emails 5 times a week, and instead I opted for sending one email per week, and I don't use any images. Because I noticed that the majority of emails I currently receive are text-based. It's a fact that I am subscribed mainly to like B2B businesses. So if you run an online store, this strategy might not work for you because obviously you based your emails on showing your latest arrivals. But this strategy can work for you if majority of the content in your email will consist of the text, and then the images will be just an additional content in the email. So there will be like a triple gallery, like gallery of three products at the end of the email, but the majority of the body of the email will consist of the text, so you can speak directly to your customers about what's going on, what's new in your store, and obviously about your business, what has changed in the last week, and what kind of offer can interest them. So definitely opt for more text and less images, and your open rate will definitely increase. So I hope you like this video. If you discovered a tip that helped you improve your open rate and click-through rate with your email list, and if you've got strategy you follow, please let me know. I would love to learn what works for you, and thank you so much for your time. Bye bye.